Americans have shifted their views to some degree on the U.S. Supreme Court, perhaps not surprisingly. Compared to last year at this time, we have more Americans saying the Supreme Court is too liberal and fewer Americans saying the Supreme Court is too conservative. You see the shift there. The too liberal percentage has gone up by 7 percentage points, and the percent of Americans who say the court is too conservative has dropped from 30 all the way down to 19. Of course, between last year and this year, we had the election of Barack Obama as president, and also we had the appointment and confirmation of Sonia Sotomayor as Supreme Court Justice, she, of course, being a more liberal Democrat. In fact, she, of course, is being sworn in this week. This is certainly a shift, but look at the about right number. I would highlight that 50% of Americans now say the ideology, as it were, of the Supreme Court is about right, and that, in fact, is as high an about right percentage as we have had in the history of our asking this question, going back to 1993. One final point, straightforward job approval rating on the Supreme Court, 61% now. That's up from last year at this time when it was at 50%. I'm Dr. Frank Newport, Editor-in-Chief of the Gallup.com.